क्या हुआ? दिन अच्छा नहीं गया क्या? किसी ने कुछ कह दिया क्या? मुझसे कोई गलती तो नहीं हुई?
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Okay, let's take a fresh page and a thick marker. Start by making a big box on that page. Draw 2-3 curvy lines diagonally, maintaining an equal gap between them. Start from the bottom corner. Begin making loops without lifting the pan if possible. If you're comfortable, you can pick it up and continue making the loops. Now, start from the top and repeat the same loop making process. No need of focusing on perfection, just go with the flow. As you doodle, pay attention to your breath. Notice how your inhalation and exhalation become synchronized, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Enjoy the process of creating the loops and continue until you feel satisfied. Finally, please share your artwork, your doodle with me. I would love to see it. Have fun.